Hi guys, we're at the crosswalk here.
Oh, no, it's down over here. Just walk around.
Okay, so this has RTB ABS. This is my first RTB ABS video. Exactly. We're going into the pathway in Burlington downtown that would take you to, there's a pathway. Okay, so there's, you see they have speakers, the RTB ABS, like never before. So it,
You hold on to it tight.
there's the Tesla LTD controller box. Look at what it says, 2012. That's when my Rook. Have you seen this before? This is
There you go. Let's go.
This is European.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Traveling south.
Then we gotta wait.
What comes from up there?
I don't know. Please wait.
Have you seen those buttons before?
No, those are pretty neat, eh?
They have the City of Burlington 2012 since it. Why is the walk signal?
Nine, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
And they have the 2012
Don't press
sign.
it again.
So this is it. Thanks for watching my channel.